Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Arifin Ilham. You can call me Ilham. With student ID number 21030095 from the NK Mathematics Program Study, Faculty the Mathematics and Natural Science, Padang State University. I intend to make an assessment of Mathematics English course with tutor Mr. Devri Ahmad, SPD MIC. In this time, I will talk about derivative. Let me talk about derivative. First, definition of derivative. In mathematics, the derivative of a function of a real variable measures the sensitivity to change of the function value with respect to a change is the argument. Derivatives are a fundamental tool of calculus. For example, the derivative of the position of a moving object with respect to time is the object velocity. This measures how quickly the position of the object changes when time advances. The derivative of a function of a single variable at a quiescent input value when it exists is the slope of the tangent line of the graph of the function at that point. The tangent line is the best linear approximation of the function near the input value. For this reason, the derivative is often described as the instantaneous rate of change. The ratio of the instantaneous change in the dependent variable to that of the independent variable. Derivative can be generalized to function of several real variables. In this generalization, the derivative is interpreted as a linear transformation whose graph is the best linear approximation to the graph of the original function. The Jacobian metric is the metric that represents this linear transformation with respect to the basis given by the choice of independent and dependent variables. It can be calculated in terms of the partial derivative with respect to the independent variables. For a real value function of several variables, the Jacobian metric reduces to the gradient vector. The process of finding a derivative is called differentiation. The reserved process is called anti-differentiation. The fundamental theorem of calculus relates anti-differentiation with integration. Differentiation and integration constitute the two fundamental operations in single variable calculus. Second, the history of derivative. Because derivatives are one of the branches differential calculus, the history of its development, it is also closely related to the development of calculus. The concept of derivation was taught at the same time by Sir Isaac Newton and Gottfried Leibniz. Independently discovered calculus in the mid-17th century. However, its inventor claimed the others stole his work in a bitter dispute. They continued until the end of their life. Third, example of derivative. Let me solve the problem of derivative. Find the derivative of y equal x squared minus 5x, y equal x squared minus 5x. Let's do first step. Y plus delta y equal x plus delta x squared minus 5 times x plus delta x. Y plus delta y equal x squared plus 2x times delta x plus delta x squared minus x minus delta x. Let's do a second step. Eliminate the y by subtracting the function. So, minus y equation x squared minus 5x. So, delta y divide delta x equal 2x times delta x plus delta x squared minus 5 delta x divide delta x. Delta y divide delta x equal 2x plus delta x minus 5. dy divide dx equal limits delta x to 0. Delta y divide delta x equal 2x plus 0 minus 5 equal 2x minus 5. So, the solving of the problem is 2x minus 5. 4. Application of derivative. Application of derivative divided into two. First, application of derivative in maths, such as a rate of change of a quantity, increasing and decreasing function, tangent and normal to a curve, minimum and maximum values, Newton method, linear approximately. Second, application of derivative in real life, such as to calculate the profit and loss in business using graph, to check the temperature variation, to determine the speed or distance covered, such as miles per hour, kilometer per hour, and etc. Derivatives are used to derive many equations in physics. In the study of seismology, like to find the range of magnitudes of the earthquake. That our talk about derivative. So, thank you for watching this video. I close this video by Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.